In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in Substack. Adding links is a simple way to guide your readers to sources, references, or related content without cluttering your post. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and offer tips so your links look clean and professional. Start by opening Substack in your browser. Once you're on the site and looking at the main interface, find the Create button. This is your starting point for new content. Click Create and then choose Article. That opens the editor where you'll write and format your post. Inside the editor, look for the Insert Link option in the Formatting toolbar. It's typically represented by a small chain icon. Click Insert Link to bring up the link dialog. This is where you define both what your readers will see and where that text will take them. First, enter the text you want to name for the link. This is the display text, and it's what appears in your article. Make it descriptive and concise. Something like, "Full report on climate trends" is much clearer than "click here." Good link text helps readers understand exactly what they'll find, and it improves accessibility for those using screen readers. Next, enter the URL of the link. Paste the full web address, including the HTTPS or HTTP at the beginning. Double-check for typos, missing slashes, or extra spaces. If the site offers a secure version of the page, use the HTTPS link for a better reader experience. It's also a good idea to confirm that the page is public and not behind a login wall if you want all readers to access it. When both fields look correct, click Link to insert it into your article. You'll see your chosen text become clickable right away. If the link text doesn't look quite right or the address needs adjusting, don't worry. You can always select the linked text later and update it using the same Insert Link option. That's all it takes. Open Substack, click Create, choose Article, click Insert Link, add your display text, paste the URL, and click Link. With these steps, you'll keep your posts tidy, informative, and easy to navigate. Take a moment to choose meaningful link text and verify the address, and your readers will appreciate the clarity.